Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Perfect Learning. I told you that the mathematics third part I will explain you the second question, third question, fourth question and fifth question of 2.1. Okay, we will start exercise 2.1. The question number second. Read the question friends. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. They said to write the coefficient of x square. Coefficients of x square. They told to write the coefficient of x square. I told you that what is a coefficient in the first part of the video. You did not see means I will give you the video link in description box and go and watch. Okay friends, the first question is 2 plus x square plus x. They said to find coefficients of x square. Here we can see that there is a x square. Before x square there is a no number. There is nothing number. And there is no number means we should think that there is a 1. And the coefficient of the x square is 1. The coefficient of x square is 1. You should write like this sentence. Okay friends, we will move to the second question. 2 minus x square plus x cube. In this expression x square we can find here. Same we should apply here. There is no number. Here also there is no number. We had put here 1 and we should also put here 1 and write that the coefficient of the x square is here the minus, here the plus symbol and here the minus symbol. Keep concentrate friends and read 2-3 times the question. There is nothing will happen. Read carefully and correctly question first. Okay friends, there is minus symbol. We will write x coefficient of x square is minus 1. You write like this, the coefficient of x square and is minus 1. Okay friends, understood? We will move to the third part. Third part the question is a by 2 x square plus x. Okay friends, they gave a by 2 x square. We can find here x square. In this expression x square is here. Before the x square the coefficient of x square is a by 2. So write as the coefficient of x square is a by 2. A. Okay friends, understood? Okay, we will move to the third question guys. Okay. Third question is give one example of each of the following binomial degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. They said that we should give example of binomial which should have degree 35 binomial that should have degree 35. Okay, take example as x plus y raised to 35. In this expression two terms we can find here, two terms. The expression containing two terms is called binomial. So y raised to 35, y to the power of 35. They told that binomial, give an example of binomial degree 35. We give, that's simple. Okay friends, and they also said that monomial of degree 100. Monomial means the expressions which contain only one term. Write only one term. Monomial, write like this, monomial degree 100. Okay, give example. X raised to 100. That is simple. Friends. Okay, we will move to the fourth question. The fourth question is, write the degree of each of the following. In the fourth question, there are 4 sub questions. They give different kinds of expressions. We should find the degree of the expressions. Okay friends, the first question is 5x cube. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. 7x, the degree or the power of the x will be 1. There is nothing means we can put it as 1. Okay friends, see carefully this expression. Friends, there are 3 different degrees, 1, 2 and 3, and they said that only degree, not degrees, and we should write the highest degree of the expression. Keep it in your mind friends. Whatever the expression is there, we should write the degree as highest degree of the expression. In this expression, the highest degree is 3, so we write that the degree of the polynomial is 3. Okay friends, we will move to the second part. The second part, they gave that 4 minus 5 square. This is simple friends, 4 minus 5 square. There is a degree, only one degree we can see here, that is 2. Write it as the degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay friends, we will move to the third part. The third part is 5t minus root 3. This is the third part of the fourth question. And I said you that there is nothing, the power of t means or x, any variable, we should put it as 1. And we can see here only 1 degree, that is the 1. Okay, the degree of the polynomial is 1. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Okay friends, the fourth part of the question is 3. Friends, give concentrate here. See here friends, see here. Okay, there is no variable in the fourth part of the fourth question of 2.1. There is no variable and there is no degree, no power, no exponent. Okay friends, we should write it as simple. Degree of the polynomial is 0. Friends, the degree of the polynomial is 0. There is nothing variable means we should write it as 0. Understood friends? Not understood means I gave the Gmail ID. You can mail to that your doubts. Okay friends? Okay. Fifth question is, classify the following linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. They gave different expressions. We should classify it as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. I will explain you what is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and finally cubic polynomial. Okay friends, the linear polynomials means in the expressions the degree, the power or the exponent is equal to the degree will come as 1. It is called linear polynomial. For example, 2 plus 5. There is not square, cubic, there is nothing. There is only the power of y is 1. When the power of variable is equal to 1, then the expression is called linear polynomial. Okay friends, when the power of variable is equal to 1, power of variable or exponent of variable, degree of variable is equal to 1, that's called linear polynomial. Okay friends, now we will go to the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials is the degree of a variable, the degree, exponent, power, whatever you call it as, the degree, power, exponent, the degree of the variable, the exponent of the variable, the power of the variable is equal to 2, then the expression will call as quadratic polynomial. For example, 4 plus z square, 4 plus z square. Okay friends, the cubic polynomial is the degree of a the degree of a variable is equal to 3. See friends, for example, y raised to 3, y cube, cubic polynomial. When the power of the variable is equal to 3, then the expression will call as cubic polynomial. Okay friends, I will solve the fifth question. Write like that, this polynomial, linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial, and finally cubic polynomial. Finally cubic polynomial. Okay, classify expressions. Okay friends, 1 plus x, here the value is 1, and 3t, here the value is 1. Okay friends, and quadratic polynomial, x square plus x, here the power of the variable is 2, that's why they classified as quadratic polynomial. Okay friends, and y plus y square plus 4 and r square. Okay friends, and the last x minus x cube and z cube. Okay friends, bye bye. I will end this session here only. I will explain you 2.2 in the next part of the video. Bye bye friends. Bye.